Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Nightstand Mode on Apple Watch Series 11. First of all, open the app library by pressing the digital crown once, then scroll to the Settings application, open it, scroll down to General section and open it, then scroll to the Bedside Mode menu, open it, and then switch this toggle to the right so it's colored green. And this way you will be able to use your Apple Watch as a bedside clock or whenever you are charging it, just by putting it on the side. And that's basically how you enable the Nightstand Mode on Apple Watch Series 11. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.